Knowing the maximum sample volume can help ensure the centrifuge meets experimental demands. Maximum sample volume, capacity range, typical, 0.2 ml to 2 ml per tube. Importance: determine suitability for specific applications. Rotor compatibility, feature multiple rotor options for different tube sizes. Importance: allows flexibility in handling various sample volumes. Total capacity, example, up to 24x 1.5 ml microcentrifuge tubes. Importance: enables efficient processing of multiple samples. Specialized rotor options, availability, specialized rotors for larger volumes, up to 5 ml. Importance: supports specialized research and clinical applications. Choosing the right model, application-specific needs, consideration. Evaluate typical sample volumes processed. Importance: ensures the centrifuge can handle your workload efficiently. Future scalability, consideration. Consider potential future increases in sample volume. Importance: allows for growth and flexibility. Space constraints, consideration. Assess available bench space. Importance: maximizes laboratory efficiency. Understanding the maximum sample volume is crucial for selecting the right micro-high-speed centrifuge. To learn more about our range of micro-high-speed centrifuges, or if you have any questions regarding their specifications, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.